Welcome to GreenPan Chatham. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises durability, health benefits, and everyday ease, the GreenPan Chatham Hard Anodized 10-piece cookware set. If you're in the market for a kitchen upgrade and have been wondering about the latest in ceramic non-stick technology, stick around because we're going to put this set through its paces. First impressions matter, and right out of the box, the Chatham set feels substantial. The hard anodized construction gives these pans a robust feel, suggesting they can withstand the rigors of daily cooking. This set is designed to be your go-to for a variety of tasks, boasting a generous 10 pieces. We're talking about 2 saucepans, a casserole, 2 frypans, and a skillet, all with accompanying lids for most pieces. This variety covers a lot of culinary ground, from boiling pasta and simmering sauces to searing meats and frying eggs. One of the standout features of the GreenPan Chatham is its thermal and healthy ceramic non-stick coating, reinforced with diamonds. Now, that sounds impressive, and GreenPan claims this infusion makes the coating exceptionally durable and metal utensil safe. This is a huge plus for anyone who's ever worried about scratching their non-stick pans. The idea is that you can use metal spatulas and forks without compromising the integrity of the surface, which is a game changer for everyday use. Beyond durability, this diamond infusion is also said to enhance heat distribution, leading to more even cooking results. Crucially, GreenPan emphasizes the healthy aspect of their ceramic non-stick. This coating is free from a host of concerning chemicals, including PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. For many home cooks, this is a primary reason to opt for ceramic non-stick over traditional Teflon, and GreenPan delivers on that promise. It means you can cook with confidence, knowing your meals aren't being exposed to potentially harmful substances. The hard anodized aluminum bodies of these pans are another significant selling point. This manufacturing process creates an ultra-tough surface that's highly resistant to scratches and chips. This is particularly important for cookware that's meant for frequent use. The gray finish looks modern and sleek, and the armored description seems apt given the construction. For those who enjoy finishing dishes in the oven or broiler, the Chatham set is well equipped. The pans themselves are oven and broiler safe up to a remarkable 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass lids, while also durable, have a slightly lower oven safety rating of 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This is important to keep in mind if you plan on moving directly from stovetop to a very hot oven. The durable glass lids are a welcome addition, allowing you to peek at your food without releasing precious heat and steam, which is essential for consistent cooking. Comfort and control are often overlooked, but GreenPan addresses this with their ergonomic matte stainless steel handles. They are riveted securely to the pans, providing a comfortable and stable grip. This is crucial for maneuvering heavier pots and pans and reducing the risk of accidents. Versatility is key in any cookware set, and the Chatham is designed to work on most stovetops, including gas, electric, and even halogen. However, it's important to note that this set is not induction compatible. So, if you have an induction cooktop, you'll need to look elsewhere. Cleanup is often the most dreaded part of cooking, but this set aims to simplify it. Not only does the non-stick surface wipe clean with ease, but the entire set is also dishwasher safe. This offers flexibility when you're short on time or faced with a particularly stubborn mess. The description also mentions drip-free edges, which are a nice touch for preventing messy spills when pouring liquids. Let's talk about the included pieces in more detail. The 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans are perfect for small batches of sauce, heating up soup, or cooking grains. The 3-quart skillet offers a bit more capacity than a typical frypan, making it versatile for sautéing vegetables or cooking a couple of eggs. The 5-quart casserole is ideal for larger dishes, simmering stews, or baking. And then you have the 8-inch and 9-inch frypans, which are your everyday workhorses for everything from pancakes to searing chicken. The inclusion of lids on the saucepans, casserole, and skillet is a practical choice, enhancing their functionality. So, what are the pros and cons of the GreenPan Chatham set? On the pro side, the diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating is a significant advantage for durability, and its healthy, toxin-free composition is a major draw. The hard anodized construction adds resilience, and the oven and broiler safety is excellent. The ergonomic handles and dishwasher-safe feature contribute to everyday convenience. The comprehensive 10-piece set offers great value and covers a wide range of cooking needs. However, there are a couple of considerations. The lack of induction compatibility will be a deal-breaker for some. While the glass lids are oven-safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, the pans themselves can go higher, so you'll need to be mindful of that temperature difference if using lids in the oven. Also, while the diamond reinforcement and hard anodized bodies suggest excellent durability, as with any non-stick cookware, proper care and avoiding extreme heat are still recommended to prolong its lifespan. In conclusion, the GreenPan Chatham Hard Anodized 10-piece cookware set presents a compelling option for home cooks seeking a healthy, durable, and versatile set. It strikes a good balance between advanced materials and practical features, making everyday cooking and cleanup a more pleasant experience. If you're not an induction user and are looking for a robust set that prioritizes your health without sacrificing performance, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.